Hi friends, welcome to today tutorial session. Today I'm going to teach you how to reduce background noise from Camtasia Studio. So, so just open any the saved recorded video that Camtasia Studio. Then after just you click on audio. So click on audio. So initially when you open your screen, it will be opened your clip bin where you have your recorded video. So just click on your track 1, which is your recorded video file. Then you click on the fifth icon, that is the audio. So when you click on, you can see there is the something option: enable volume leveling and enable noise removal. So here, if you want to